Hey everybody, today I'm actually taking you guys with me to a very popular tourist attraction here on Koh Samui. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kimberly Sandbox, and if today is the first time you're joining me, welcome. Well, I'm taking you guys with me today to the northern part of Koh Samui, to the Big Buddha, which is a very popular tourist attraction here on Koh Samui. It's quite remarkable. It stands about 39 feet tall, beautiful golden in color, and then there's this shopping area and places to eat up and around there. So I thought I would take you with me. Dave and I actually tried to go a few months ago, but they were closed due to COVID, and I believe they have reopened now for business. So I'll see you all there shortly. Change from several months ago driving up through here. A lot more people around, a lot more traffic. However, it's still manageable to where I don't feel like I'm almost claustrophobic with people. It's nothing like that for sure. Okay, so now we are coming upon the entrance to the Big Buddha. And I'm going to go ahead and turn in. It's absolutely beautiful, very ornate, and you can see we are located right here on the ocean. And the Big Buddha is actually on a little tiny island just off the coast of Koh Samui, and it's connected to the mainland by this narrow road here. Parking looks to be rather easy. I'm just going to pull right in here. Lots of little clothing shops here. Probably won't get a screaming deal here on clothes. Probably a little bit discounted right now because of COVID, but you're more likely to get better deals in town, not in these tourist areas. So it looks like Big Buddha's open from 7 to 6:30 p.m. Got some really cute things here. Sweaty car! Really cute. Ladies, if you like different items, all kinds of different styles here. Cute little tops. I have to come back and poke through here after I see Big Buddha. And look at that. Isn't that something? And just keep in mind too, out of respect, you certainly do want to dress appropriately here to go up to these statues. I do have a tank top on, but I see there are some wraps over here, so I'm going to see if I can get one of these. and free of charge. I can grab a scarf, I can grab a wrap, and I'm free to do that. No charge here. And providing, wraps and robes would be really helpful for tourists. So these are the things that are really gorgeous about Thailand. You have this, deep-seated Buddhist religion and these beautiful temples to come to and view. And just keep in mind too, when you come to these temples, you're going to want to probably kick off your shoes, as many of the temples don't allow you to wear your shoes up to them or in them. Yeah, definitely a nice place to come and walk around. I just found this cute little coffee and Thai food place right here on the water. Beautiful spot. I'm gonna sit here and have my passion fruit shake. Alright, I could have bought like 4 different things in here. This is really cute store. They have really nice things in here. Prices aren't too bad. She's got things kind of marked
down a little bit more still than what I want to pay. All right, what do we got going on down here? Looks like somebody forgot their top. Certainly one of the things about Thailand is that you always see interesting little things. And if you're not alert, you'll miss different things. Little statues here and there. I don't know the significance of this statue, but still pretty cool.
Okay, so that was Big Buddha, and definitely worth coming over to check out. I mean, you won't see anything quite like that anywhere else other than in Thailand or here on Koh Samui for that matter. Prices are a little higher here. I was looking at some of the food prices over at one of these restaurants, maybe about 20 baht or so more per dish. And then the clothing prices, I would say, on average about 100 or 200 baht more than what I would pay in town. I saw one sundress that was 400 baht, and I know I could probably get it for about 300 baht in town. So yeah, I mean, it's what you expect to pay here in a touristy area, but certainly worth coming to check out, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching today. Take care. Have a great one.